Welcome to our 7-part video series on how you can use bridge pages to significantly increase your income and profits as an affiliate marketer. In this video, we're going to take a look at the basics of bridge pages. What are they? How are they typically used? Bridge pages, also known as landing pages or doorway pages, have a number of different uses. Originally, they were used to bring in search engine traffic without having to create a lot of content. They were basically just pages that were used by black hat SEO folks to stuff a bunch of keywords onto the page in order to rank well. These days, bridge pages are neither spammy nor black hat. They have a whole slew of different uses, including collecting email subscribers, expanding upon the sales message on the original product page, or providing reviews or comparisons of various products. Most affiliates simply send their visitors straight to the product sales page, but that's not always the best course of action. For one thing, if you send visitors straight to a product sales page, you could potentially lose them forever. If that person doesn't buy, it's a wasted click. Instead, you can send your visitors to a landing page where they can opt in for more information, and then send them to the sales page. This way, you can market to someone over and over again for a long time. Additionally, sometimes the sales page might not convert as well as you'd hoped. Or maybe it doesn't hit all the right notes for your specific audience. In this case, you can create a pre-sell page that you could use to help add to the copy on the sales page itself. One reason you might want to do this is when you're promoting a product on a website where the information about a particular product is limited. You could also adopt this method if you could add to or even improve upon the product seller's own text. Perhaps the sales page only gives basic information about the size, color, etc. You could create a pre-sell page that would give users some additional information about features and the benefits of using the product over other options. This would help increase conversions significantly if done correctly. Now that you know a little bit about bridge pages, it's time to start getting in depth into their uses and how you can use them to increase your own online profit. Stay tuned for the next video in this series about bridge pages, where we'll take a look at some of the different types.